To change the time zone in Card, start by opening your Card dashboard and selecting the website you want to modify. Once you have chosen the correct site, click on Manage this site to open the full site management panel where all advanced settings are located. Inside the Management panel, navigate to the Settings tab. This section contains key configuration options that affect how your website behaves globally, including publishing controls, language preferences, and localization features. Scroll down carefully until you reach the Language/Localization section. This area is designed to handle region-specific settings that affect how your site displays and processes certain data. Within this section, you will first see the language setting. Directly below it, you will find the time zone option. This is where Card allows you to define the correct regional time zone for your website. Click on the Time Zone drop-down menu to open the full list of available time zones. Card provides a wide range of options covering different regions, cities, and UTC offsets, so you can accurately match your target audience or operational base. Select the appropriate time zone from the list. Once selected, the system will automatically apply this configuration to any time-related features used by your site. This includes timestamps, scheduling references, form entries with time tracking, and any third-party integrations that rely on local time data. After selecting your time zone, the change is typically saved automatically within the Settings panel. However, it is still recommended to double-check that the selected option remains active before leaving the page. If your site uses embedded tools such as countdown timers, event schedulers, or external widgets, remember that those may also require separate time zone configuration within their own platforms. Card will only control the site-level setting, not external services. Once everything is set correctly, return to your site preview and check any time-dependent elements to ensure they are reflecting the correct regional time. If the changes do not appear immediately, refresh the preview or reload the page. Finally, click Publish if necessary to ensure all updated settings are applied to your live website. And that's how you change the time zone in Card. Open Manage this site, go to Settings, scroll to Language/Localization, select the time zone drop-down, choose your region, and confirm the update for accurate time handling across your site.